In this video, we will show you how to turn off Siri on your iPhone. But before that, please take note that you cannot use voice dial and other voice control services when you turn off Siri on your device. For this tutorial, we will be using an iPhone that already runs on iOS 15.6. To get started, tap the Settings icon from the home screen to open the Settings app. While on the main Settings app menu, scroll to find and then tap Siri and search. Doing so opens the Settings menu for Siri. To turn off Siri, just toggle to turn off the switch next to listen for Hey Siri and press side button for Siri respectively. Disabling the first two options will prompt you to confirm if you'd like to turn off Siri on your device. Read the warning message and then tap Turn off Siri to confirm action. That should disable Siri on your iPhone. If you only want to disable Siri on the lock screen, just toggle to turn off the switch next to allow Siri when locked and leave the first two options turned on. Turning off Siri doesn't affect the information it uses to respond to user requests for dictation. That said, this information remains on the Apple servers unless you disable dictation on your iPhone. And that's pretty much it. We hope that this simple guide will be able to help you one way or the other. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling the notifications. Thanks for watching.